Have you ever wondered how traditional Swiss watches are made? This timeless craft, born in the heart of Europe, has intrigued and fascinated many. Swiss watches, synonymous with precision and luxury, have a magic of their own. They are a testament to centuries of refined craftsmanship and technological innovation. Their allure lies not only in their elegant design and precision, but also in their rich history and the skilled hands that bring them to life. Let's dive into the captivating world of Swiss watches and their creation. The story of Swiss watches begins in the 16th century. Picture this: Europe is in the throes of the Protestant Reformation, a period of significant religious, political, and cultural upheaval. Amidst the chaos, a group of French Huguenots, fleeing religious persecution, found refuge in the Swiss cantons. They brought with them a skill that would forever change the landscape of Switzerland, and indeed, the world: the art of watchmaking. The Huguenots were not the inventors of the timepiece. The ancient Egyptians had sundials, and the Greeks, water clocks. But it was the invention of the mainspring in the 15th century that truly revolutionized the concept of portable timekeeping. This compact coil of metal, capable of storing and releasing energy, was the heartbeat of the mechanical watch. In the safe haven of Switzerland, the Huguenots honed their craft, driven by a desire for precision and a passion for innovation. By the late 16th century, they had created the first pocket watch, a marvel of miniaturization that encapsulated the ingenuity of the human spirit. The pocket watch was more than just a tool to tell time. It was a symbol of technological advancement, a testament to the power of human ingenuity. But let's not forget the environment that nurtured this innovation. Switzerland, with its harsh winters and secluded valleys, was hardly the obvious choice for a burgeoning industry. Yet it was these very conditions that fostered the birth of Swiss watchmaking. The long, cold winters encouraged indoor activities, providing ample time for the Huguenots to refine their craft. The country's isolation fostered a sense of independence and self-reliance, traits that are still evident in the Swiss watchmaking industry today. The story of Swiss watches is not just about the passage of time. It's about resilience, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. It's about how a persecuted group of refugees transformed a country and created an industry that is admired and respected the world over. And thus, Swiss watchmaking was born, a craft that would evolve over centuries. Swiss watches have come a long way since their inception. The journey, spanning centuries, is a fascinating tale of innovation, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to quality. In the beginning, Swiss watches were purely mechanical, handcrafted with meticulous precision. These timepieces were primarily pocket watches, a symbol of luxury and status. However, the dawn of the 20th century brought with it a pivotal shift: the advent of wristwatches. Initially met with skepticism due to their perceived fragility, wristwatches soon became the norm, favored for their convenience and practicality. The Industrial Revolution proved to be another significant turning point. Prior to this, the watchmaking process was a laborious manual affair, but with the advent of mechanization, production was streamlined. The Swiss watch industry readily adapted to these changes, enhancing productivity without compromising on the quality that had become their hallmark. Yet the road was not always smooth. The 20th century presented one of the most significant challenges in the form of the quartz crisis. The emergence of inexpensive battery-powered quartz watches from Japan threatened the very foundation of Swiss watchmaking. These watches were not only affordable but also highly accurate, posing a serious competition to the traditional mechanical watches. But the Swiss watch industry was far from defeated. They responded to the crisis with characteristic innovation. In 1976, the Swiss introduced the world to Swatch, a line of low-cost quartz analog watches. Swatch was a game-changer, successfully merging Swiss craftsmanship with the practicality of quartz technology. Furthermore, the Swiss watch industry also focused on the high-end market, creating intricate mechanical watches that were more than just timekeeping devices. These were seen as works of art, exemplifying the pinnacle of horological expertise. Despite numerous challenges, the Swiss watch industry has remained resilient and innovative. The journey of Swiss watches, from pocket watches to wristwatches, from manual to mechanical, is a testament to the industry's adaptability and its relentless pursuit of perfection. But what really sets Swiss watches apart is their unmatched quality and craftsmanship. The Swiss have always been known for their high standards, and this is clearly reflected in their timepieces. The precision of Swiss watches is unparalleled, with some models boasting accuracy within just a few seconds per day. But it's not just about accuracy. Swiss watches are designed to last. Their durability is a testament to the superb materials used and the meticulous attention to detail during the manufacturing process. Furthermore, the design excellence of Swiss watches is undeniable. Each watch is a work of art, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal in a way that is truly unique. Before a Swiss watch reaches the market, it undergoes rigorous testing and certification. These processes ensure that every Swiss watch lives up to the country's reputation for exceptional quality. It's this dedication to quality and craftsmanship that makes Swiss watches the gold standard in watchmaking. Swiss watches are indeed a luxury, and their price reflects that. A myriad of factors contribute to the cost of these horological masterpieces. The raw materials, for starters, are of the highest quality. Precious metals, gemstones, and even painstakingly harvested mother-of-pearl are used in the creation of these timepieces. Furthermore, the time and expertise invested into each watch is considerable. Master watchmakers can spend up to several years crafting a single watch, ensuring that every tiny cog, wheel, and pinion is meticulously placed and adjusted. And let's not forget the brand's reputation. Swiss watchmakers have built their names on centuries of tradition, innovation, and craftsmanship. Each watch is not just a timepiece but a symbol of this legacy. So yes, Swiss watches do come at a higher price. But what you're investing in is more than just a watch. You're investing in unmatched quality, timeless style, and a piece of watchmaking history. While Swiss watches may come with a hefty price tag, they offer unmatched quality, timeless style, and a piece of watchmaking history. Swiss watches have stood the test of time, both literally and figuratively. Born from centuries of innovation, they are the epitome of quality and craftsmanship. Their price mirrors the effort and expertise poured into each piece, making them not just timekeepers but treasures. These watches continue to captivate enthusiasts, their allure undiminished by the passing years. Whether you're entranced by their history or their precision, their charm is undeniable. In the world of timepieces, Swiss watches remain unrivaled, a testament to centuries of innovation, craftsmanship, and dedication to excellence.